Alright, I just got my small rig mini matte box in, the light one. I have one already, so this is my second, and I'm just gonna open it so you can see what's inside. So I'm curious too. Alright, it comes in a cardboard box over here. Tightly packed. Let's see. Alright. Move this to the side. Oh, there's another bag. Alright, a piece of paper. Alright, so got a little message. We are here for you. Nice. Alright. I think storage bag. Pull that out. Put that to the side. Nice. It has a small rig logo. I like it. Okay. Then I guess these are the filter adapters. Adapter rings. So you can into the lens. Okay. There's 2 in there. I'll open these later. And there's 4. Okay. Move that to the side. And the main reason I ordered this, the matte box. Let's open this sucker up. Alright. Pull it out. Okay. It has some shrink wrapping on it. Okay, move that to the side. Move that off to the side, and there it is. There's the bat box. Really nice. Carbon fiber. There's the adjustments to screw. It's a little different than my other one. My other one's black. This one's, I don't know what color that is. It's like a gunmetal color. Not bad, but a little different. I wish it was black, but oh well. Can't always win. Small rig, I noticed. They're probably wondering, thinking nobody would notice. I noticed. But it's still good. It's to work. It's for my job. But anyway, there's the matte box. Let me put a filter in here. There's a little knob over here, just like the other one, to open, get the tray out. Let me get the tray out right now. I'm gonna put my filter in it. I got a filter, an ND filter. Put the ND filter in there. Alright. Oops, went the wrong way. I don't want to touch it. These suckers are expensive. Alright, for a piece of glass. There we go. I got it in. And now I'll line up where it said slide at the top here. Slide. And with the top part. And it slides right in. Believe me, you want to know that, because I wasted so much time trying to get this thing to get in there. Okay. From the other matte box I own. Anyway, it's in there. And make sure this is locked, otherwise it could fall out. So just pull it in and lock. There we go. Alright, it's locked in. And now I'm ready for business. Yeah. Tight, and then just loosen the knob here. Tighten it. Yeah, it's ready. Anyway, another high quality product from Small Rig. Small Rig, thank you very much. You guys are awesome for making filmmaking equipment affordable. So it's a great matte box. Makes my stuff look professional, but I actually use it to block the sun. But anyway, that's all, folks. Enjoy yours.